Hi, I'm Guy Manthel, Technical Product Manager for Knauf Insulation. We're here in Long Bay, Auckland, to witness the installation of an R7 single layer ceiling batt. The H1 regulations have changed significantly to effectively increase the thermal performance of houses by up to 40%. This means we have to raise the ceiling insulation levels to R7 to achieve the thermal performance. Let's go and have a look. So here we are with the Earthwool glasswool R7 ceiling insulation. The benefits with Earthwool is that it's softer to touch, easy to cut, easy to install, and is manufactured with ECOS technology. ECOS technology provides sustainability and the softer feel, as well as the high compression ratios that we enjoy with Earthwool insulation. This is an example of the compression packaging. As the pack was cut, the product expands out of the packaging, and then you've seen the product being energized, which is jumping it on its side just to make sure that the product recovers to its nominal thickness. This product is now recovered well above its 330 millimeters, ready for install. The product is manufactured with Twin-Tech technology. Twin-Tech allows the product to be manufactured a lot thicker than other products, and also gives us the smooth facing either side of the product. It also has dry-therm technology. Dry-therm technology is a silicon-coated fibre which adds to the durability of the product. Other benefits with Earthwool insulation is that it's non-combustible for fire safety. It's manufactured with up to 80% recycled glass. It is low VOC, adding to indoor air quality, and it also provides excellent acoustic performance. So here we are with all the ceiling insulation installed, the R7 single layer, achieving the H1 requirements. Nice, neat, tidy job. For more information on the Knauf insulation products, please visit our website.